Welcome to How a Mockingjay Sounds in Real Life. I see that you have come here by the QR code. I have set it up for you. A mockingjay can memorize any song. When I mean any song, I mean any song or melody it likes. For example, a mockingjay on display likes to sing.
We're no strangers.